What are hex value colors? Well, hex colors represent hexadecimal representation of RGB colors. So as we know, RGB value colors allows us to create color like a mix of red, green, and blue color. All three values are integer values in between 0 and 255. And for hex value colors, this concept is completely the same. Our final color will be a mix of those three colors. For all colors, we can set values in between 0 and 255. And only difference in between RGB value colors and hexadecimal value colors is in syntax. So as you can see, for hex value colors, our color will always start with a hash sign. Then we have 6 characters, where first 2 represents red color, second 2 green color, and third 2 represents blue color. So if you're not familiar with hexadecimal representation, with hexadec we have values in between 0 and 15, and first 9 digits are regular decimal values, but values from 10 to 15 we represent with the letters A, B, C, D, E, and F. With 2 hexadecimal values, we can set value that is up to 255. So these are steps how we get from hexadecimal values to 255. So basically, with 2 hexadecimal values, we can set any value that is in between 0 and 255, like we have with RGB value colors. For hex value colors, we can set 2 more digits. So basically, the last 2 digits or characters will represent transparency for our color. Also, this value can go in between 0 and 255. So basically, any of those values will represent, if we set something like 0, 0, that we want that our color to be fully invisible or transparent. Or if we set FF, this means that we want to set to our color to be fully visible or solid.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.